skin is looking delicious, like real delicious. Hello my darlings, yes, we're starting up close and personal as always with some holiday skin, holiday makeup, but not on holiday. That's the vibe for today. I don't know where you guys are from, but if you're from London, you know the weather has been like Mykonos. The weather has been like Dubai. The weather has been absolutely chef's kiss, so warm. This is my go-to evening, my dinner look for when I'm on vacation. When the sun has touched my skin, I'm looking nice and bronzy, I'm looking nice and glowy. I've got a cheeky red lip because I want to make my teeth look super white. When you're on holiday and you're just trying to look super cute, yeah, this is the vibe. I'm going to be using products from my edit, my Look Fantastic edit, of course. Mix up the products and just use different makeup so it's not the same stuff all the time, so you guys can really get a feel of what is in my Look Fantastic edit. If you're new here and you don't know, I'm doing a summer partnership with Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic one-stop shop. All the faves are on there and my code Uche will save you 20%. Exclusions do apply because makeup and beauty and skincare is so expensive. Being able to save 20% on at least like a part of my order is so much better than not saving anything at all. So I use the code myself. So yeah, I've even got my braids in. This is like proper holiday because I always have braids for holiday. So I really feel like I should be on a beach somewhere hot right now, but I'm not. The sun has come out now, but when I first started filming this video, the sun was not out, so the lighting is a little bit different, but it's so much nicer now. Enjoy the video and I'll see you guys at the end. So I've got the fan on. I feel like it's very loud, but it is so hot in here. I need a fan. I need some kind of something because I can't come and melt. Okay guys, you lot will understand though. I'm just putting my hair up. Oh my god guys, my braids are back. I only got them done last night to be fair, so this little half up deal that I'm doing, girl, I can feel every hair strand being pulled up and it's not a cute feeling. Okay, so I've already done my SPF. To moisturize, I used the Clinique Super Defense. This has been really nice. I love the consistency. It's very lightweight and creamy, but still very moisturizing. So I've been using that. Oh god, it's spilling over. And then for extra, just to make sure I'm really nice protected, I've been using my La Roche-Posay Anthelios Factor 50. I'm definitely looking for like a new SPF just because I've just not been hearing like the best things about this, which is really unfortunate because I really like it. New combination. This is the Bobbi Brown Skin Longwear Weightless Foundation. This is so good. I love this. I'm using 6.5 Warm Almond and I'm going to mix it with the vitamin enriched face base. As you can see, this is so well loved. Like, yeah, she's well loved. I'm gonna mix it to give kind of like a tinted moisturizer vibe. So I'm gonna do 3 parts of, maybe 4 parts of that on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to just scoop up about that much. So the whole idea of today's look is like holiday vibes. So holiday vibes because, sorry about the noise guys, I'm so sorry about the noise. Holiday vibes because I wish I was on holiday, but I am not. So we're gonna do holiday skin. So it's like basically the same thing, except we're not leaving the country, so there's that. I love this vitamin enriched face base. It's so hydrating. It's like really good for prepping, very moisturizing. And they've actually now brought it out in eye version, a vitamin enriched eye base. So that's like a good primer. I'm not actually using it today. Maybe I should have used it today. But it's like a face base for your eyes, which I think is really cool. Only thing that I would really liken that to is fast response from MAC in terms of like a product that's formulated to specifically prep your under eyes. Really good for people that kind of, I get a lot of questions about people with dry under eyes, people that suffer with creasing. I feel like it could be really good for that. So I haven't fully covered up all of my like blemishes. I'm just kind of leaving them. Because sometimes when you go on holiday, your skin is nice and, oh, I'm gonna have to shut this window, it's too much. Yeah, when you go away, your skin is nice and bronzed, very healthy looking, but I don't mind like a little bit of imperfections peeking through. My objective today is more like the health and the dew and the bronze and the glow. Oh, I love holiday makeup so much. So that's what we're going for. I need to wipe this off the back of my hand, otherwise I just know. Guys, I feel like I'm getting clumsier, like with age. I'm pretty clumsy, but I've been doing some dumb stuff lately. So I'm like, okay girl, okay, I know you're clumsy, but you know when you just like get it together, just rein it in, get it together. I'm using a mix of Too Faced Born This Way in Butterscotch. Right in there, not too much of this one actually. You know what, I should have done my brows. I should have done my brows. I'm going to mix that with a little bit of Pro Longwear Concealer from MAC in NC 42. I just pump like a healthy amount of this on the back of my hand. I found the other day when I might wait. No, I'm just gonna do it now. When I used this the other day, I feel like I didn't use enough of it and it kind of wasn't really feeling the vibes, but then I used it again and I used a bit more. And I was like, yeah, this is so much better. Just because I want a bit of touch of brightness. The only thing with this is I feel like the undertone isn't golden enough for me. So we'll just leave that to marinate, to sit in. I love mixing my contour with like a liquid illuminator. Gives you like that glow from within glow. Do you see the way the light is bouncing off my face? Are you joking? Stunning. And it's more natural because sometimes if you do like a powder highlight, it just looks like a bit streaky, whereas this is right on the high point. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, listen. Yeah, you need to try this because mixing your contour with a liquid illuminator gives it a very like bronzy vibe. I won't do it as much on my forehead just because my forehead, she's already got some size. She doesn't need too much more attention, but the residue from the cheekbones just plays into the forehead when I blend out anyway. But girl, ooh. Ooh, ooh. You know when you're on holiday and you've been sat in the sun or you've been out and then you come in and the light is just bouncing off your face, like you just look really bronzy, you just look really golden. Yeah, that's the vibe. That is the vibe. Oh, so I'm using the Infinite Concealer from Makeup Revolution. I feel like I'm gonna go a bit OTT today with the bronzer. I'm sorry, I just have to. I have to. No. I don't even know when or how I discovered that, but they should have never let me discover that because it's gonna blend out the under eye real quick. Do I want to use a sponge or brush? Maybe I'll use a sponge today. Let's have a look. This right here just lifts. Look, it just pulls. Just use your brush to make sure everything is nice and blended. I actually like the look of that like that. If you don't like the look of it so sharp, you can obviously blend it out to soften the lines, but I don't mind it looking sharpish. I'm alright with that. Sharpisher. That's okay with me. I'm not doing any eyeshadow, but I would add some contours with my concealer. If you ever feel like anything is too harsh, you can take just like a larger brush just to buff it all away. Set the under eye real quick with ABH loose powder in Banana. I just put this in all the areas that I want to last the longest, stay the most matte. So under my eyes, on my forehead, chin. Avoiding these areas because we still want the glow in those areas. but we want everything else to be matte. Take our face powder just to set any areas that tend to move around and embarrass us. You guys already know what it is. Same face powder just on here, just to matte down the nose. Back forth, so it's on either side, and then just pat it down. Okay. Ooh. At this point, you could actually leave it. You don't really need to add like bronzer or anything, but you guys know I'm extra. I'm very extra. Face powder I use is the Bare Minerals Bare Pro Performance Wear Powder in hazelnut. I know guys, I know they've discontinued this. I don't know what was going on in head office when they made that decision. Revert that immediately. For contour, I'm going to use the same Bare Pro but in truffle, just because powder foundations tend to last a really long time. So I take them on holiday because of the heat. You just know they'll have you covered. And I very lightly put that, because as you can see, my face already has a lot of structure. So I don't actually need anything crazy, just very, very lightly. The ABH Dewy Set. Urban Decay De-Slick, because we want it to last. Then let that dry down a minute while I pop off and do my brows, and then we'll come back and do lips. And I'll probably have my lashes on, so we'll just do lips. Yeah, I look scary because obviously I've got nothing on my lip. Let's fix that. I am doing a red lip, but I'm going to line my lips with a brown first. This is Chestnut from MAC. And then I'm going to take Night Moth, also from MAC, do like a little ombre vibe. And then in the center, I'm going to use Ruby Woo. Ruby Woo! I don't really like that with the purple, you know. Okay, let's start that again. Okay, so I've limed my lips with Cork from MAC. Going in with Ruby Woo. Over top with, well, in the corners with Chestnut, also from MAC. I'm not really like a lipstick on its own kind of babe. I need always need some sort of liner, and the liner doesn't necessarily have to match the lipstick. So as you can see, I've got on a red lip, but I'm using a brown liner. You guys know me and brown liners. It's a match made in heaven. A brown liner for any lip color I do. This is the finished look. Let me bring you guys in a little closer so you can observe the skin. So this is our holiday skin, but just not on holiday. So yeah, obsessed, absolutely obsessed. The red lip is everything. A red lip just, number one, makes your teeth look super white. Number two, just makes you look like you have your orders in a fair. Like a babe with a red lip has her orders in a fair. She knows what she's doing, she knows where she's going. And then of course we've got the bronzy skin with the liquid illuminator, which just makes it a lot more natural. Like the light just kind of hits it. It's not a streak, it's more like it's pushing from beneath the makeup. Face base is so good because it gives your makeup like a healthy look, especially if you have dry skin. Definitely, if you have dry skin, give it a try. If you have oily combo skin like me, just make sure, I like to balance out with a foundation like the long wear, which is full coverage, oil free, and just kind of dries a little bit more matte. So that's why I like to use those two together. Like, skin's looking delicious, like real delicious. Don't forget, you can save 20% off Look Fantastic with my code Uche. It will save you 20% off your order. Exclusions do apply. This is today's look. This is my holiday makeup, but not on holiday, but I'm doing holiday makeup because I wish I was on holiday. I hope you guys love it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.